Hi there, welcome to Tuesday's market commentary. Looking to chart the overall market today. The first one here is the S&P 500. A little bit bearish, which was down 21 points today. Nasdaq 24 and Dow down 242. It was really the S&P that was kind of the neutral one on the overall market. The Nasdaq was much more bullish than the Dow Jones was today and holding the markets up. Here's a chart of the S&P 500, and you see still supports down here at the 742 level. And if you really want to call it, you can call it, since we're trying to move up just a little bit here, you can call support maybe also at this 841 level. So if we break through 841, then 742 is going to be our ultimate support. If we stay above 841, their next level of support is going to be right up here around 985, right in through this level right here of resistance anyway. So we're going to call resistance, short-term resistance here at 985, and call support, if you want to be a little more aggressive, 841, and if we break that all the way down to 741 down through here, our trading range. Currently the MACD lines are trying to be a little more bullish here, so it looks like it's trying to bounce up, even though we're in the middle of this little sideways trading pattern here. So it looks like it's trying to be a little short-term bullish, but I'm going to go a little more neutral until I start to see some follow-through. We've already had a pretty good bounce coming from 740 up to the current price up here at 888. It's a pretty good bounce that we've had through here, so we might get some type of a round of profit taking. I'm going to be a little more neutral and just say short term. I'm going to go with a neutral strategy until we break above resistance here at 985. When we break above that resistance, I'll go more short term bullish, and I'll go long term, still bearish, short term neutral, with the current support levels at 841 and resistance at 985. Okay, let's take a look at the Nasdaq and see if that looks any different for us. And here's a chart of the Nasdaq. You can see that the longer term chart is still a little bearish, as our highs are still getting a little bit lower coming through here. So our highs are still getting lower, so we're still bearish a little longer term. And short term, we're going to go with a little more neutral here, not really bearish or bullish, but you've got support here at 1295. Next level of resistance slash support is really right where it's sitting right now, right around 1541, 1535, right in through here. So you can see we're sitting right there at a resistance level, and if we move above that, it'll act as the new support. If we come right back down below that, it'll act as the new resistance level. So if we do move above that, our next resistance level will be up here at around 1795. So 1795 for our next resistance, and 1535 to 1541 is the current support slash resistance. So we're kind of right in a little precarious position here. If we roll back down, support is at 1295, and if we roll back up, resistance will be 1795. Otherwise, the 1535 to 1540 level will act as both support and resistance for us. And here, MACDs are still trying to head a little bit higher also, so it looks a little bit bullish. But as we're in this trading range, we're going to still say that we are neutral until we break out of the trading range. So until we start to really break out of this trading range through here, we're still going to call ourselves a little more neutral, longer term bearish, short term neutral. Move above 1795 and we actually start making some higher highs. At that point, we can go short term bullish. But in the meantime, short term neutral, longer term bearish. Support, we'll call it 1307, right down at 1295, this level right here, maybe 1300, with ultimate resistance up here at 1795. All right, hope that helps. Keep an eye on news. News does have a tendency to change everything, and I wish you the best.